If you're pregnant right now or a teen mom and you feel scared, confused, or like your life is already over, please don't scroll. This video is for you. Because what no one tells you is that this is not the end of your story, it's the beginning of a stronger one. If you are watching this video, chances are that you are a teen mom or you're pregnant as a teen and you are carrying more than just a baby. You are carrying fear, pressure, judgment, and a million unanswered questions about your future, your money, your health, and confidence. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a real survival guide for teen moms, not judgmental ones, but real guidance. Let's start here. Your health matters the most. Your body is still growing, trying to grow another human. And that's a lot. Many teen moms struggle with poor nutrition, stress, anxiety, skipping prenatal care, and feeling ashamed to ask for help. But listen to me. Taking care of yourself is not being selfish, it's you trying to survive. As a teen pregnant girl, you need to focus on eating simple, nourishing foods, drinking enough water, attending prenatal checkups, resting without guilt. Your baby doesn't need a perfect mom. Your baby needs a healthy mom which is alive and emotionally present. Let's talk about the second thing, money fear. Money fear is one of the biggest silent stressors for teen moms. You might be thinking, how will I afford this? I can't even take care of myself. I don't want to depend on people forever. And yes, the truth, you don't need your whole life figured out right now. What you do need is basic budgeting skills, knowledge of support systems, a mindset shift from panic to planning. Track your expenses, learn where your support comes from. Build one skill that can earn you money in the future. Being a teen mom does not mean being broke forever. The third thing is confidence after giving birth. Yes, you can be confident again after giving birth. Pregnancy and motherhood can make you feel invincible, judged, or you can actually even lose yourself during postpartum depression. Your body changes and you do lose a lot of friends. Your friendship changes also. Your dreams feel very far away. Confidence doesn't come from looking like your old self. Confidence comes from trusting your new self. Always try to speak kindly to yourself. Avoid negativity. Stop comparing your journey to others. That can really hurt you a lot. Wear clothes that make you feel comfortable. Celebrate small wins. The first thing is your future is not cancelled. Being a teen mom does not cancel education, career goals, financial independence, love, and joy. And your future may look a little different as a teen mom. It can be more slower, more intentional, and more challenging, but also more meaningful, more grounded, and more powerful. A lot of successful women right now started as a teen mom. The key takeaway, remember, your health is your foundation. Money skills can be learned. Confidence grows with self-kindness. Your future is not over, it's unfolding, one step at a time. If you're feeling overwhelmed and you wish someone could just walk you through this season, I created something for you. It's called Managing Your Pregnancy, Your Health, Your Future, and it's a teen mom's guide. Non-judgmental but a big sister advice. This guide helps you understand your body during pregnancy, make smart choices, reduce your fear around money and future, build confidence as a young mom. It's written in simple language, no judgment, no pressure. You don't have to figure everything out alone. You can check the link in my description, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notification for more videos.